ALITAX. Find the email sent through Adobe Acrobat Sign, then open it. Click Review and Sign. The document will open securely in Adobe. Read the disclosure, then click Continue. First, carefully review your refund details. Check your name, total refund, our fees, GST, the amount payable to you, and your estimated super balance. Continue only when everything is correct. Scroll to the refund transfer request. Select Overseas Bank Account if the payment is going outside Australia, or Australian bank account if you are using an Australian account. Enter your own complete bank details. For an overseas account, include the bank name, country, SWIFT or BIC code, branch name and location, full account number, and the account holder's name. Make sure the account holder's name matches the name recorded by your bank. Carefully check every letter and number before continuing. Incorrect or incomplete banking details may delay the payment or cause the funds to be returned. After completing your banking details, tick the declaration confirming that the information is complete and correct. Review your name and email address, then select the signature box and apply your signature. Continue through the document and review the tax return declaration carefully. By signing, you confirm that the information provided is correct and authorize ALITAX to lodge your tax return. When you are ready, click to sign to submit the document securely. Please wait while Adobe processes your signed documents. When you see you've signed successfully, your documents have been completed and returned to ALITAX. You may also save or download a copy for your records.